Hey everyone, so it's been another month and I have another box from Bench Tool Junkies, and this one's a little bit different because it has no tools in it whatsoever. It is all stones. And as you can see, here's the paperwork that came with it, and as you know if you've watched my other videos on this, it basically has a detailed sheet on everything that's in there. It also has some spotlights for other creators, along with what came in each box, depending on what size you got. So with that being said, instead of looking through all this, let's just look at the stones and see what I got. So it looks like we have some interesting shaped agates. There's also these nice looking pink stones that have a equal amount of them, which would be interesting for certain projects. Basically, I'm trying to get ideas for what to make with these as I make this video too. And you can help me by leaving comments and suggestions on what I could make using the different stones. Also, I can't pronounce what this stone is called, so. Next stone. So here's some rose-cut moonstones. And what that means is they're basically faceted all over the top. There's also some nice little pieces of turquoise in here, and I actually really like this one that has some pyrite inside of it. As you can see, the little shiny metal bits. I guess these are whitewater turquoise, if I'm reading the little pamphlet right. And here's a little bit more turquoise. These ones are obviously a bit bigger than those, and more but they still look nice, but they're also a lot taller. So if I'm reading the pamphlet right, this is blue opalized wood, but I could be wrong. But they look cool. So with all that being said, here's everything that came in the box all together. I'm looking for ideas, like I said before, on what I could make these into. Also, I have a lot more stones from previous boxes that I would like to use. Most of it's little bits of turquoise or some more rose-cut stones, some more turquoise, and a bunch more rose-cut stones. So these are all the stones I would like to be able to use in the upcoming videos, showing different techniques of how to set them. But I need your suggestions on what I should make with the different stones. So leave a comment and let's talk about different designs. And everything I'll do is probably going to be in silver. But if you would like to get your own box like I get every month from Bench Tool Junkies, just head over to their website, benchtooljunkies.com, and you can sign up for whatever size box you want, and you can have it set up for monthly, or you can have it come in just one time. It's up to you. Well, that's about it for this video. I'm eager to hear what you guys have to say about the stones in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.